Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Nick with OWC, and today we're going to unbox the 2019 21.5-inch 4K iMac. I'm super excited, so let's jump right into it. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and break the seal and take a look at this iMac. Oh, that sounds gratifying right there. Here we go. All right, so first thing I notice off the bat, that new smell. It smells delicious. We've got a box here of probably the Apple keyboard and mouse. You've got your styrofoam bits for protection. I've said this before, I've always been really impressed by Apple's packaging because it does a really good job of keeping it safe, and shipping an iMac like this can be quite dangerous while in transit. All right, we've got your power cable just floating around. It must have fallen out of one of the styrofoam pieces. This is the iMac. The next thing we're gonna have to do is take off the protective cover and see what this looks like. Now, before we get to the main event, we're going to take a look at the accessories that Apple provided. Designed by Apple in California, leaving their trademark on there. All right, so what do we have in here? We've got a Apple wireless keyboard. Let's take it out of the packaging, see how it feels. Nice and light. It's got a nice thin profile. Apple logo etched in the back. This looks very cool. You've got an Apple Magic Mouse, again, wireless. Pretty standard, but again, very good piece of hardware here. What else do we have in here? We've got, oh, you know what's in here? My favorite. No, not manuals. Manuals aren't my favorite. Apple stickers, yum yum. And a nice little, another accessory in here is a microfiber cloth to wipe your screen off. Keep those fingerprints off your beautiful iMac. And then a lightning cable. This will be used for connecting the mouse and the keyboard to the computer as well. Now, we've seen the accessories. Let's take off the protective cover and see what this iMac looks like. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. On the back here, there's a little sticker sealing the protection to the iMac. We're going to lift this right off and review the beauty of the iMac. Oh, it looks like there's a protective screen on the front here as well. A little additional protection. Let's take this off. Going to be able to review the iMac in all its glory. Oh. I feel like I'm unwrapping a gift package. All right. There it is, everybody. Beautiful iMac, nice and thin, slim. You've got your nice aluminum brush look to it. You've got, it looks like on front here, a camera as well. Pretty standard Apple logo as well on the front. And on the back of the iMac, we have a power port to power the machine, a slew of ports for connections, and on the top here, we have your Apple logo as well. This is a refresh of the iMac, so pretty standard stuff. And that was our unboxing of the new 2019 21.5-inch 4K iMac. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.